tutorial we see what is if statements, what is functions, and what is structures. And as I promised you people that I would be teaching you that how to make a vector calculator in Python. So I will show you that today. So let's go and do it. So we will be basically using something known as if statement, which I explained you what is that. And if you haven't seen that, then go to my playlist and access it and do it. So after we learn if statement, input statement, and variables, just the three things we need to do here, and we will be done with our work. So the first thing here we want is that what to do. So, like in before calculator, we have done here one input statement for the user with a float variable, and here also a float variable. So today I am thinking why not to make it int? We can make it float also. So I think so. What to choose? Okay. Okay, let's choose float. So first I will make the three variables, that is num1, operator, and num2. So let's make the num1 variable then equals to float, then we will put input, then like this. So something we have done here wrong, that is this and this, like this we have to do here again. Okay, so we are done with it. So now, so what? No, not what. Enter second number. So I asked the user to enter second number. Not second number, actually, it's first number. I'm just flushed out. First number. Okay. It happens sometimes because I was just like I was doing some other coding like C++ coding. In that time, I was using second number variable for one time. For that, it came to my mind second number. So let's just go for OP. So what is OP? I am writing OP to indicate the operator. So just here we don't need any type of another variable like int, float, double or anything. Here just input, um, enter an operator. Okay. So this is like our system will be asking to the user that enter operator to what to do with the numbers. Now we will give the num2. Okay. Now after we write num2, we are writing float and then input and like this, and then what to do like is here we will write, wait a second, yeah, here we'll write that enter the second number. Okay, pretty much done, you can say. So we are done with our input statements. You can see now what, when I will run this, so you will see something like it will be asking the user to do it. So you just see on. Okay, it takes some time, as I told you ever, in VS Code to load the terminal. Okay. Okay, it has came. Now let's see. Okay, enter first number. So what is the first number? Now it will not do the equation. I'm saying it from first only. So here I think so simply this and an operator multiplication and again the same. So you see it has done nothing because we have not said the code that what to do after we give the input. So let's do it with if statement. So if op, because operator is the thing from which we will add or subtract or minus, so we need op is equals not double equals, uh, plus plus, then not then, actually we have to give colon, and then so we will print num1 plus num2. So we are done with one operator. Okay. So now when I will run again the same thing, like first number I will do 1 to 2, then operator I have to do plus because I have done it for plus only. Then again I will give here 444. So you will see it has given us the answer 5666. So I mean 566. You can go to your calculator and check it. So we are done with one operator. Now let's do the other five operators. You'll see why I told five operators, because not like a simple calculator. We will make it a bit advanced. Now we have to write elif as I told you in last video. We can write if also, no problem with it, but it looks good. So, no, no, not OP. We are done with OP. Now just print num1 minus num2. Now I will copy this code because in most we need this code only now. In if I have not done it, but here I will do it. I have done some silly things, but not always. Okay. So here is minus. So here I will do it into, that means asterisk, and here also asterisk, and here I will do division, and here also division. So this one more will be for that percent sign, and this will be for the percent sign. Okay. So we are done with it. Now we can make, like we can give any type of equation to our computer and it will solve it and it will give us. So let's think of doing, enter the first number, what to give. Like I will give 8078, like 87 and 87. Then I will into it with, again with 87 and 87. So we are done, and we can see this is our answer. So here we can see that what is our answer. You can go to your calculator and check it on, and it will work very pretty much. And it is faster than other calculator also. I'm saying you that why you will know it. Okay. So you want to like, then we'll use our this percent sign. If you have remembered that strings in my first video of Python course, you can go to, if you have not seen that, so you can go to the playlist and do it, see it. The So the thing is like enter first number. So what is the first number? Now we can use the percent. So we have given here something for percent also. So what is that percent? I'm giving this here like 15. Okay, then operator will be our that percent sign. Okay, then enter the second number. I will do it 2. So you have seen that it has given 1.0. Don't just see the point 0 because I have written here float. It will come in the answer of this 0. I mean point 0 or anything. So the thing is 1. So when we will divide 15 and 2, the remainder, that remainder will be 1. That it shows. If you are not seeing, then also I said you, but you have to see that it is essential if you don't know that. And then, so just one thing, let's do something crazy. Like I will do blah 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 blah, and here without writing in plus minus into or percent or divide, I will just write op or any another operator like bracket. Okay, then I will enter partha. So you have seen here something has came. Leave this partha. If you write partha there, it will come like that. So we will fix that also. And so it will be like if anyone wants and puts anything else with his crazy mind, so it will be cracked and it will show an error like that. Okay. So it will be cracked and he will easily crack the code. So what to do for that? Why we should not show this thing? Okay, this trace back and all we should not show. So the thing is for that we can do is like first we'll let L if, not here, L if, then we will give OP. No, actually we can't give L if here. We have to give else then here like this, like I have done here. You can see else print your name. If the person doesn't give that to name, then if you are not seen that, see if you don't know about input statement and the if statement, so you have to see that. And if you know, I think so you have saw my video, so it is good. So now else print in veiled operator. So the person who is a hacker think this is not a calculator, something else. He will just crack through the code and he will know what is some lines of the code, and he will do something else to hack it. I know what he will do, but I don't want to sit there. So that's not our topic now. So what is the topic? You just see. Okay, invalid operator. So I have written the spelling wrong. So leave it whatever it is. So now when I will do run this, not the number, like here I will write yes, and in I will write something like in, and then again second number. So you will see that invalid operator. But here it has one more issue of cracking, that instead of number, if we give something like uh, one of my subscriber, like I saw that yesterday, his name was Nikhil. So we will type here. So you see again a traceback issue came, and it says line 32 in model num1 float. So it shows if a hacker sees it, okay, so this is the first line of code, then he will know what the code has to do. If even a one line of code is leaked from the game of or of your this thing, then anyone can figure it out of it, like not only calculate whatever you have made. If any one of the code is leaked, then it will be a problem. So what to do for that? So the simplest thing we can do for that is just here. Okay. If we have to figure it out. So here we have given float. If user input um, so here we need to make some more if statements. If num1 is equals character character. Ah, it has done something. Not this numpy. I don't need numpy because here people are watching it and they don't know. If they are beginner, then only they are watching. This is a simple thing. So we can't figure out anything for it for now, because as you people are beginner, I can't show that to you because the thing behind it is it needs something complex code, and I don't want to code it. I know what to that numpy that is needed here, so we can do it, but it is half secure. When you will learn till that, we will do. So the thing here, one more is I want to inform you that after finishing this, I will make video of Ursina learning, and then I will make a pie game, and after that I will do TK Inter. It's a GUI thing where you are seeing this thing, right? So this is like so much odd to look, and whenever you will make it executable, then also it is odd to look, but with GUI we can fix it, and it will look something like the calculator in our computer or in our phone, just by figuring it out. I will show you that after this course. And in this today's video, I needed to do this much only. The thing is, in tomorrow's video, we'll learn about loops and some other things, and classes and object also. That's are the biggest thing in the Python, you can say, after libraries, the classes. Okay, so just vibe on the next tutorial, and just if you have not, then access my playlist.